welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to change the color without having that obvious color change transition. So you can see that we have changed the color on our second row here, and we have also changed our color in between the row, and you can see that there is no obvious color change that we can see. I'm going to show you how to do this, and it is really very easy. Now I've already made a row of double crochets. I have just not made that last double crochet stitch because that's where I want to show you how to do the color change. And we're going to yarn over, insert our hook in that last stitch, yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and now we are going to just stop here. We are not going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops as we would usually do, because this is where we are going to change the color. Now we're going to leave a small tail and cut the yarn like this. And now we are going to take another color and we're going to pull through both the loops with that other color. So you can see how smooth the color changes. We can barely see the pink yarn. Now we're going to chain 3 as usual for the row of our double crochets, and we're going to turn over. And now skipping that first stitch, from the second stitch we are going to make double crochets. So we are going to make a double crochet in each of the stitch. And this is how we smoothly change our color. When we want to change the color for the next row, we're just going to pull that strings tight, and you can see this is how it looks. And now I'm also going to show you how to change the color in the same row. For that we're going to make a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and stop right there. Now we are going to cut the tail like this. And again I'm going to show you with the white color that how we're going to color change in that same row. We're going to pull through both the loops with the white color like this. So you can see here again we can barely see the white yarn, and we're going to continue making double crochets in the next stitches. So once I've made a couple of stitches with the white color, I'll show you how smooth the color transition is. We're just going to pull that yarn tightly, and we're going to continue making a few more double crochets so that we get a fair idea. And this is how our transition looks like in that same row. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!